Hello, this is Vicki, and I am going to show you an assembly video on this Recollections butterfly die. I thought I could understand the directions, but they're clear as mud. It doesn't tell you how to put it into a card, and it barely shows you how to assemble it. So in my quest to figure out how to get this done, I discovered that this is actually a knockoff from a Spellbinders die. It has 6 pieces to it. The base pieces, the overlay, the body, which goes on top of all these pieces, and then this, which creates the pop-up. Now, in the pop-up position, this is what the card would look like when you open it. See the little platform that it creates? So I thought I would try and do a video real quick on just how to put this together. So I've cut my pieces out, and I cut these pieces out with sticker adhesive stuff on the back to make it like a sticker, so it makes it easier to assemble it onto each piece, each layer. The hard part is now getting the backing off. In each wing piece, this piece right here folds back. So each one has a score line on it when you cut it out. And I've tried to do it with glue. It just makes a mess because of all the holes in this piece. So you want to line up the score lines on each of these pieces, and the best way I've found to do that is just to fold each piece back and set that on top of each other. Easier said than done, obviously. And I'm off camera. This is why I don't do videos. So that just sticks down on there. No fussing with glue. And this next piece as well. One of the videos I saw said you cut these pieces off of the black part, off the overlay to the wing. I don't see the purpose of that. The paper stock that I'm using for the actual butterfly is 65 pound, and the platform piece is actually 110. So as you see, or maybe you don't see because I'm off camera, you're going to want to fuss with that just a few times back and forth to make the wings work better. Then the body piece has a score line down the middle of it, and I just folded that a couple times back and forth. It's kind of hard to do because it's such a small piece. And I also made that a sticker piece. That goes on last. So the platform piece has all these score lines. You have a score line here, 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 and on each wing, there and there. You can see it a little better here. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold the middle score line towards you. Then each of these sides you're going to fold away from you, so they're valley folds. And then the wing you're going to fold back. And then those little tiny tabs you're going to fold back also. Sometimes it helps to fold it towards you and then back to help work the fold. So now you have this piece, and it's going to look like this when you folded all the pieces in the correct direction. Now, each wing is going to be attached to either side of this mountain fold. And we're going to do that with glue. So I'm just using art glitter glue. And you want to try and get the crease to line up with the crease when the wing is folded over. So you want those edges to line up. The best way to do it is like this. Squeeze it together to make sure it's stuck well, because this will be moving. You want to make sure it's attached and the glue is set up. And we're going to do the same thing with this one. Now, I made my butterfly blue and I made the platform piece blue as well. And it is a little fussy trying to get the edges lined up. But you're going to end up gluing the body to this piece. So you see how each piece is lined up. Now we're going to glue the body on, and maybe looking back, I probably should have made this out of sticker paper because the head is going to stick above. I'm sorry, I'm off camera again. And it is fussy, but once you put that crease in there, you should be able just to fold it up like this. And it's stuck down now. Okay, now to insert it into your card, I'm just going to show you how to create this platform for it. So now you're going to fold this back, and this little tab back. And the tab is going to attach to the wing in this crease. So it will attach to the wing, and you're going to line this edge up to the crease of the wing. So let me just do that. So it's going to create a box. And the best way to get that to stick is probably to get a pair of tweezers. Sorry about that. To hold it on there. You really want that to set up before you go to the other wing. So you see you have one little box for one wing, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So that gets folded back, the arm gets folded back, and the tab gets folded back. You're going to put glue on that little tab, and you're going to put that into the crease of the wing and glue it to the wing. And again, this is one of the reasons that you want the heavier cardstock on the platform piece. Otherwise it collapses too easily and doesn't give your butterfly the support that it needs. Okay, so now we have our butterfly piece with the platform attached. if you fold your butterfly like this, and then you take these two pieces and collapse them together, we're going to attach this side into the crease of your card, and you can decide where you want it. You don't want it to go outside the card, so you want it either maybe to the little to the top, middle, or you can put it all the way to the bottom. Depends on where you want to write your message or stamp extra sentiments inside there. Again, I'm not showing you the whole assembly of a card. I'm just showing you how to get this butterfly assembled and put into a card. So you're going to have those squeezed together. Lift your card side so that you have enough room to put your butterfly in there, and butt it up against the crease of your card. Close it and hold it for a minute so it sets up. And then you're going to do the other side. You're going to put a little glue here on the platform piece. And close your card. Again, letting the glue set up before you open it. And you really want to let it set up, because if you open it too soon, it will rip your paper. And I've done that numerous times. So here's your butterfly. And you can clean the glue up. But just wanted to be able to show how to put that butterfly into a card. And then you can decorate your card any way you want. So these Recollections dies are much cheaper than Spellbinders, but I don't know that I'm sold on them, just because some of these little things were really hard to punch out. I had to run it through the machine several times to get all these little pieces cut. And then especially with the sticker paper on the back. And then the holes don't go all the way through. You can see some of these little holes. You can't see through them. So then I had to try and pick them out on this side. I don't know if the Spellbinders is like that. I didn't really look, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know any suggestions you have. Again, I'm not great at doing these, but thanks for watching.